there's always a balancing act that we do, and certainly public safety is important in that balance. We've seen a number of mass shootings. We see daily in urban and even in rural communities uptick in gun violence. We see trafficking of guns into the hands of people who are ineligible to possess them, either because of felony conviction or because of other disqualifying factors. And there are people who engage in an industry to legally purchase the gun, then transfer them illegally into the hands who are ineligible to purchase them. And so that's something that we have passed laws. We've invested in a crime gun tracing platform so we can have crime gun intelligence to see the patterns, to detect the individuals who are involved in straw purchasing and transferring guns into the hands of people, again, who are ineligible by law to possess them. It's an important mission for us. We partnered heavily with the ATF on gun trafficking cases, and we've been successful in those efforts. Yeah, so the effort to keep communities safe is not just an Illinois issue, it's a national issue. The problems that we may face in Illinois, whether it's Highland Park or Washington Park, or whether it's daily gun violence, are also faced in other states that try to move similar policy. And so I spent a lot of time with my colleagues, my Attorney General colleagues from other states, both Republican and Democrat, and we try to work collectively on issues, and I support them and on certain advocacy as they support me on advocacy, and I think that's important. You know, obviously the decisions that come down from the Supreme Court create a common law structure that we must follow in our arguments and in our policy making, and whenever we pass a law that has to deal with touches upon the Second Amendment, we have to deal with the construct that the Supreme Court gives us. And so the arguments we make, the pleadings that we file, make arguments within that construct.